Hi guys, do you all want to add this type of watermark to your edits to make it look cool and authentic? If yes, follow me. Start by adding your clip to the timeline. Now pre-compose it by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Then press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Now go to Effects and Presets and search Flip plus Flop. Add this effect to your upper pre-composition. Then add a text layer with your channel name in it, which will act as a watermark. You can also resize the text as per your need. Next step is quite important. You would need to reposition your text layer such that it covers the area that has multiple colors underneath it in the background clip to give it a more effect. So I'll be positioning it somewhere over here. Then select your upper pre-composition and under track matte, select your text layer. Now if in case multiple options like these roll down when you tap on track matte, don't panic, just tap on Luma matte. Finally, you can see we have a text layer projecting the bits of our original clip. Now select your pre-composition and text layer and pre-compose them. After this, go to Effects and Preset and search Drop Shadow. Add the effect to our last pre-composition and copy my values. You can also adjust the opacity as per your will. Then search exposure and add it as well. Finally search for glow and add it to give the final touch. You can see our watermark isn't where we need it. So hold the anchor point and shift it to your desired place. And boom, we are done. Thank you for watching.